and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nicoleta and I'm an Ikebana artist in Tokyo. Join me for tutorials, tips and fun ideas to decorate your space with flowers. My videos on here will be mainly Ikebana demonstrations, but for more, please do check out my social medias. At 5Senses_Ikebana on Instagram and at Ikebana_creations on Facebook. I would love to hear from you guys, so please do not hesitate to leave comments and DM me with questions you may have. I hope these videos will bring you a little bit of joy, perhaps some color and fragrance to your spaces too. Please share the love and connect. Thank you very much for watching. If you are looking forward to seeing more arrangements, click that subscribe button and follow us on 5Senses social media accounts. Until next time, bye!